Hi, in this video you see my daily life running a retreat center in the south of Spain and all the work we did getting the place ready for the season. So welcome back to another video, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Koen and I'm a certified personal trainer and breathwork coach from the Netherlands. And 3 months ago I moved to Malaga, Spain to learn how to run a retreat center and actually rebuild my life. Because after leaving Slovenia, which was my home for 5 years, I'm just not so sure in which direction I want to take my life. And that's fine too. So instead of forcing the answer, I just focus on my routines that help me feel my best. And you can see, I like to start my day slow. Even if that means having just 5 to 10 minutes for myself to focus on some stillness and moving my body. Because the work at the retreat can be intense and physically demanding. That's why it's important I feel fit and strong in my body and improve how I deal with stress and handle my emotions. I broke down the exact 5 habits I'm focused on that help me feel my best in my previous video. So if you would like to see the step-by-step approach on how to eat healthier, move your body more, and feel calmer, I encourage you to check that one out. For now, enjoy the transformation of the retreat and follow along with the routines you see.
Trying at the same shit. Kinda tired, tryna give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah, 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 yeah. Kinda tired, trying at the same shit. Kinda tired, tryna give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you? I could give you everything. If you wanna run ahead, I'll meet you where the water meets the earth we cling to. If you wanna find the edge, I'll come too. I could run around this world all day with you. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize. Sing it out like you want to, Dolly. Like you're 17 and everything, everything. It feels like a dream. Oh, I could show you this world around you. Through my eyes, my whole view. The place I love, the place I cling to. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize.
Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you would like to see more of and subscribe if you haven't already. Have an amazing rest of your day.